Bird. Got him a fucking baby rabbit. And look at the parents. Bro, they hot. They hot. That nigga got the damn baby rabbit, bro. Damn, that's fucked up. Oh, man. That nigga got wings, bro. Y'all ain't getting him, bro. Hey, leave that baby alone. Look, I can't even holler. Look, he got him in the gutter. I'll let my dog out on his ass. Look at the squirrel. The squirrel pissed. This shit fucked up. Bitch, you gonna be on 48 hours. They gonna call Ace Ventura on your ass. Look, they running to go tell that shit now. Oh, man. Oh, man, that's fucked up. Damn. Damn, look at him. This nigga, man. This nigga up there eating on that mug.